Okay, welcome to the clean room. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a sample. Depends on what sample you are processing. We have different process steps. If you are cleaning with glass slides, we need to start from the OptiClear, then acetone and IPA and water. If we are processing some semiconductors, actually we can directly start from the acetone cleaning. For some other substrates like glass slides, for example here, we will need the OptiClear to clean the sample first. You can find the OptiClear here. Okay. Firstly, we find another beaker for the glass slide. Okay, that's a beaker for the OptiClear. Take the OptiClear out. You will find there's a lot of different solvent here. Find one like that, written OptiClear. Okay. This solvent has a strong orange juice smell, so it's better to wear the mask when using the OptiClear. Okay. Always put the solvent back. And again, use the tweezers to put your substrate into the beaker. Okay. Now we will need the ultrasonic. Turn on the switch of the ultrasonic. Again, we set for 5 minutes cleaning this step. After 5 minutes cleaning of OptiClear, it's the same. We can do the acetone cleaning, IPA cleaning, then our watering. Turn off the ultrasonic first. Take out the beaker, find the acetone. So notice that there's for using the OptiClear, we need to put the OptiClear into the labeled bottle inside the white box here. See, there's a wasted OptiClear. Finish the cleaning, you take the sample out, and remember we need to rinse all the beakers we used. But our water or just standard water should be fine. Okay, make sure that all the beakers were rinsed. We put the beakers because it's a green box for cleaning by the staff. Going to show you. There are 3 bottles of different solvents and with different color of the caps. You will see the red one is the acetone, while the blue one is the IPA, and the green one is a methanol. And some people will need this solvent to clean the sample as well. Again, it depends on the substrate you are processing. Okay. Here's the sample we're going to clean in today. It's a gallium arsenide sample. Okay, great. And what we need to do is we've got to find some wipe. And we find a beaker. And that's a beaker. Okay. We put some acetone into the beaker. Okay, that's really enough. And we'll take the sample out by tweezers. You could use either plastic one or the carbon tweezers. You open the sample box, take the sample carefully, not to scratch it, and put it into the beaker. Okay, and then we do the ultrasonic cleaning. Put into the ultrasonic. There is a switch here. Turn on the switch. Normally the cleaning will take 5 minutes. We'll get a timer for the time.
Can you also tell what?
Once we finish the cleaning, we need to put the acetone into the unchlorinated bowl. There are 3 different bottles of solvents with different color of caps. The red one is acetone, and the blue one is IPA, and the green one is methanol. We will use them later. We're nearly finished the first cleaning with acetone. Take the sample out. Now we will need the IPA. But remember, in that step, never expose your sample surface, because acetone will leave some residue on your sample if you expose your sample surface. So we'll do several steps to make sure there's all IPA in this beaker now. Okay. We'll put the sample into the ultrasonic again. Set the timer to 5 minutes. Turn on the switch. After 5 minutes of cleaning with IPA. Great. Now we can take the sample out. turn off the switch. Some samples do not need to be cleaned by metronome. It depends on which sample you are processing. And that's right. Okay. Turn on the water to adjust the water flow not to be too strong to heat your sample. Maybe you could show you can adjust the water flow here, and this is for the RO water, deionized water, and this just for the standard water. And always use the RO water to clean your sample. Again, 5 minutes rinsing. Okay, now we are nearly finished the cleaning. Right, after 5 minutes rinsing by the RO water, now we can take the sample out and blow it dry by the nitrogen gun. Okay, now take the sample out. Be careful not to scratch your sample. Do it slowly. And take the nitrogen gun here. Nitrogen gun. Use a tweezer to hold the sample. Blow it dry. Move a little bit. We dry the top surface and also the back side. Okay. Now we put the sample back to the sample box. Make sure they are tiny and clean now. You can see. Back to the sample box. Close the sample box. That's it.